prettyprint a NumPy array without scientific notation and with given precision. How do I print formatted NumPy arrays in a way similar to this? If I want to print the NumPy array of floats, it prints several decimals, often in scientific format, which is rather hard to read even for low-dimensional arrays. However, NumPy array apparently has to be printed as a string, i.e., with %s. Is there a solution for this?
Use NumPy.set_print options to set the precision of the output. And suppresses the use of scientific notation for small numbers. To apply print options locally, using NumPy 1.15.0 or later, you could use a NumPy.printOptions context manager. For example, inside the with sweet precision equals 3 and suppress equals true are set. But outside the with sweet the print options are back to default settings. If you are using an earlier version of NumPy, you can create the context manager yourself. For example, to prevent zeros from being stripped from the end of floats, np.set_printOptions now has a formatter parameter which allows you to specify a format function for each type, which prints instead of
Use np.array_str to apply formatting to only a single print statement. It gives a subset of np.set_printOptions as functionality. For example, Anyukbu gave a really complete answer. They got A+1 from me too, but here is a low-tech alternative. As a function, using the format syntax for formatting. Usage. The index of the array is accessible in the format string.
FYI NumPy 1.15, release date pending, will include a context manager for setting print options locally. This means that the following will work the same as the corresponding example in the accepted answer, by Anyukbu and Neil G, without having to write your own context manager. For example, using their example.
I videoene passerer må ett lese kanskje til sluttskripping.